So one key insight is that technology, for me, I understand, only works if you solve a real problem on the ground. So leading the implementations told me that tools don't create transformation. Uh, Workflows and people do. So I always start by understanding the operational challenge first, and then I design the digital solution around it. I think that this is one of the best things right now, like to have the opportunity to use the AI in a different way and connect that with all the current technologies that Autodesk is offering. So I will join those sessions a lot. Oh, that's a good question. Well, first thing I have to mention that I'm a mechanical engineer, and I have spent the last 15 years in the construction industry, leading technical coordination for all kinds of projects, from hotels, airports, residential buildings, even data centers. So I also work for two of the largest construction companies in Colombia, leading BIM and BDC implementation. For the last 5 years, I worked at a BIM consultancy company in the US, leading a multinational team of around 35 people, delivering BIM, BDC, and digital manufacturing services. But I had a relationship with Autodesk for more than 20 years, I think. I remember watching my mom, who is an architect, working with AutoCAD 14. And so when I was a kid, I was fascinated from that moment. So yeah, that's my I can say that that's my relationship with Autodesk. I think that AI will change everything. It will improve everything. It will help to improve the projects in terms of sustainability, in terms of I think that we will help more people. We will transform the way that we are doing things. So, for example, in construction, we're going to be able to create better spaces, better buildings. Yeah. And well, one thing that I maybe missed to mention is that in the DevCon, I'm not going to speak about construction. I'll be speaking about agriculture. So agriculture as well is an industry that requires a lot of transformations. It requires AI because there's a lot of knowledge involved in agriculture that need to be bring, like, let's say, immediately to the farmers. So I think that AI will transform the way to do that. I want to inspire people, because I can say that I was inspired by my experience in both construction and agriculture, because I remember one day that I started asking myself that if we can simulate cities and buildings to optimize performance, why not do the same for coffee farms or other things like climate change? So I really want to inspire people to have crazy ideas. And like today, I'm talking just about how to use digital twins in agriculture, but probably those technologies can be used in other things. Yeah, today I'm proposing this. That could be crazy, but probably there are people outside thinking things like this. They're truly passionate about. Yeah, I actually submit my proposal on the last night before the deadline. And if an idea like using construction software for agriculture is here today, that means that there are many bold ideas waiting to be here. So that's my advice. First, I would say that I want to attend as many sessions as possible, to understand the latest advancements in Autodesk technologies. I'm looking for inspiration yeah, but also feedback on this crazy idea of mine. Uh, I also hope to inspire others and also be inspired. Well, as I said before, like all the things relate to MCP, but in general about the event, I can say that first, I'm really excited to be back in Europe after several years. I have been attending Autodesk events for a while, yeah, including Autodesk University, twice as a speaker, and one on a previous DevCon. And there I always inspiring. So for me, it's always about meeting people, having deep conversations about where technologies is going, and exploring how Autodesk could open doors into new industries like agriculture, in this case. So yeah, in general, I hope this presentation can be a first step in that direction. And I just want to receive surprises, yeah, from people, from the conference, from classes. It's always great to be on an Autodesk event. That's a good question, and I will say to people that just do it. Yeah, just do it. I have, as I said, I have been attending Autodesk event for probably more than 10 years. Yeah, I still remember my first Autodesk University back in 2015 in Vegas. Was amazing. Yeah, I can say that that event changed my life, changed my my career path. So don't hesitate to have this opportunity, because you will learn from the most amazing people in the world in terms of technology. You will receive amazing feedbacks, amazing knowledge. So don't hesitate. Yeah, it can be like the key point to change your career. So don't hesitate to go to this event, to other Autodesk events.